Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your AC supports sleep mode and locating the button or remote icon. This saves energy and maintains comfort overnight. Press the sleep key and immediately set the baseline temperature 2 degrees higher than your daytime setting so the unit ramps down gently. Once done, close windows and doors to stabilize the room and disable competing fans or heaters, because steady conditions help the AC modulate output more efficiently and prevent short cycling. Next, you configure the sleep timer and fan to match your sleep cycle so the unit reduces output gradually instead of abrupt stops. Choose 6-8 hours or staggered intervals. This conserves energy while keeping comfort. Set fan to low for quiet or auto to let the system adapt. Avoid high unless required. If your AC offers a temperature offset or gradual increase, enable it so the set point rises slowly through the night, preventing overcooling. To finish, confirm the display shows sleep mode and the timer is active so the schedule will run unattended. This confirms your settings took effect. You should monitor the first night and adjust the temperature or timer the following evening for optimal comfort. If you hear unusual noise or frequent on/off cycling, reset the AC by turning power off for 30 seconds, re-enter sleep settings, and make sure vents are open. This resolves most setup-related issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.